From this video, I would like to explain exercise 7.1 5-6 problems of chapter 7 coordinate geometry class 10 from AP and Telangana state boards. Question number 5. In a classroom, 4 students are seated at the points A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. Jirina and Fanny walk into the class after observing for a few minutes. Jirina asks Fanny, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Fanny disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Why? Observe this figure. The first row in the column intersecting point is 0, then it will be 1. It indicates 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. So fifth problem solution. Now we are going to solution. The point A indicates on x-axis it is 3 and y is 4 and seating B indicates that is 6 and 7 and come to the C is this is 9 and 4. Next D is 6, 1. These are the 4 vertices. With these 4 points, it forms a quadrilateral. So here Jirina asks Fanny, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" So square is also a quadrilateral. How can we find the given quadrilateral as square, rhombus, rectangle or parallelogram? By observing the 4 sides and 2 diagonals. So after finding the 4 sides lengths and 2 diagonals lengths only, we can decide whether the quadrilateral is square or not. So let us go to find the distances. This points forms a quadrilateral. With these 4 points forms a quadrilateral ABCD. To find the quadrilateral as whether it is a square or not, we have to find the distances, 4 lengths AB, BC, CD, DA, and also we have to find the diagonals, 2 diagonals of the quadrilaterals. Then only we can decide the given quadrilateral as whether it is a square or not. So let us go to find the lengths. Lengths means distance. So first write the distance formula. The distance between 2 points. One point is x1, y1 and x2, y2. That is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So quadrilateral ABCD. So first we have to find the all distances, a lengths of 4 sides AB, BC, CD, DA. So let us go to find the length of AB. So take the points AB, A that is 3 comma 4, B that is 6 comma 7. So the length of AB is equals to, take this point as x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute these values. X2 that is 6 minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is y2? 7 minus 4 whole square. Six minus 3 that is 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 that is also 3 whole square. So square root of 3 square means 9 plus 3 square 9. So square root of 9 plus 9, square root of 18 units. Next we have to find the length of BC. So take the points BC. So take as x1, y1, x2, y2. So length of BC is equals to, substitute in this formula, x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 9 minus 6 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, so 4 minus 7 whole square, that is equals to square root of 9 minus 6, that is 3 whole square, plus 4 minus 7, that is minus 3 whole square. 3 square value 9, minus 3 whole square also 9, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. So this value is length of BC also square root of 18 units. Next we have to find the length CD. So take the point CD. Take as x1, y1, x2, y2. So CD length. CD is equals to square root of, substitute in this formula x2, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 6 minus 9 whole square, plus 1 minus 4 whole square, that is equals to square root of 6 minus 9, that is minus 3 whole square, plus 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 means minus 3 into minus 3, 9. So this value 9, same, minus 3 whole square 9. So 9 plus 9, 18. So this value is the square root of 18. So length of CD is the square root of 18 units. Next we have to find DA length. Take as x1, y1, x2, y2. Find the length of DA by using distance formula, that is this one, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 6 whole square, plus 4 minus 1 whole square. 3 minus 6, that is minus 3 whole square, plus 4 minus 1, 3 whole square. Minus 3 whole square value 9, 3 square value 9. So root of 9 plus 9, square root of 18 units. So by observing these four lengths of quadrilateral, all are equal, that is root of 18 units. So if four sides of a quadrilateral are equal, it may be a square or a rhombus. So to decide it is rhombus or square, we have to find the diagonals also. So Let us find the diagonals. First one AC. So take points AC. So find the length of AC by using distance formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So take as x1 y1 x2, right, substitute in this formula. X2 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square, that is square root of 9 minus 3, that is 6 square plus 4 minus 4 0 square, that is equals to square root of 6 square value 36 plus 0, square root of 36, that is equals to 6 units. And find the other length of diagonal BD. So take BD points now 1. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. So find the length of BD by using distance formula. BD is equals to square root of x2 minus x1, 6 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 7 whole square, that is equals to square root of 6 minus 6 0 whole square, 1 minus 7, that is minus 6 whole square. Simplified, 0 square value 0, minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36. So 0 plus 36 root 36, that value is 6 units. So here diagonals also equal. So here all sides are equal. i.e. AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA, and diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. They are AC is equals to BD. So here all sides are equal and the diagonals also equal. So this quadrilateral is a square. So therefore ABCD is a square. Observe this problem. Here Zarina and Fani discussing about the seating arrangement. So here ABCD forms a square. Zarina asks Fani, don't you think ABCD is a square? So Zarina said that the seating arrangement form a square, but Fani disagrees. Using the distance formula, find which of them is correct. So by observing this solution, after it forms a square, so Zarina is right. Therefore here Zarina is correct. So therefore here fifth problem is finished. Next, sixth problem. Next problem, sixth problem, that is show that the following points form a equilateral triangle. So a comma 0, b minus a comma 0, c 0 comma a root 3. Sixth problem, this one. Show that the following points. So given points are, let us go to the problem solution. We have to show that these points forms an equilateral triangle. So draw a rough diagram of triangle ABC and take the points. How can we show that the given points forms an equilateral triangle? What is the property of equilateral triangle? That is, if all sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle will be equilateral triangle. So we have to find the all the lengths AB, BC, CA. If all the lengths of the sides are equal, then it will be an equilateral triangle. So let us go to the distance formula. Distance between 2 points, that is first one is x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First we have to find the distance of AB, that means length of AB. So take AB points first, 0. Take as first one x1 y1, this point as x2 y2. So AB is equals to, by using this formula, square root of x2 minus x1, that is minus a x2, and formula minus this one, and x1 is a again. So whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square, that is equals to minus a, that is minus 2a whole square plus 0 minus 0, 0 whole square, minus square, that is plus 2 square, that is 4a square, plus 0 square means 0, that is equals to root 4a square. By after simplification, it is in the form of root of AB. Root of AB means root A into root B. So by using that formula, root 4 means 2, root A square means A. So this length is 2A units. Next come to the side BC. Take the points of BC. Take this one as x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have to find the length of BC by using distance formula. Distance means length. x2 minus x1, so 0 minus formula minus this one, again x1 is minus a, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, a root 3 minus 0 whole square, that is equals to 0 minus of minus a plus a. So this is 0 minus a, minus of minus plus, 0 plus a whole square means a square plus a root 3 minus 0, that is a root 3 whole square, that is equals to a square, square root of a square. It is in the form of AB whole power of m. AB whole power of m means a power m, that means a square into b power m, root 3 whole square means 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Root 9 means 3. So a square plus this is 3a square. What is the value of square root of 4a square? That is 2a. Like previous distance, that is 2a units. Next we have to find the length of CA. So take the points of C and A, 0 comma a root 3 and a comma 0. So come to the CA. Take as x1, y1, x2, y2, x2 minus x1, a minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus a root 3 whole square. Square root of a minus 0 whole square, a square, plus 0 minus a root 3 whole square means minus a root 3 whole square. That is equals to a square, square root of a square, plus it is in the form of ab whole power of m. So minus a whole square means minus into minus plus a square root 3 whole square, root 3 into root 3 root 9 means 3, a square plus a square 3, that is 3a square. So 3a square plus a square, 4a square. It is in the form of root a b. Root of a b means root a into root b. Root 4 means 2. Root a square means a. So this is 2a units. So here all sides are of triangle ABC are equal. That means AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. So here all sides of a triangle are equal though, so this is a equilateral triangle. So triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need math basics and subscribe for more videos.